All right, I'm going to show you how to complete an interactivity in Pearson. Okay, when you log into Pearson, you should be here. When you click on classes, you'll be given two options. In this case, right now we're going to look at science. So you're going to click on science. Okay, notice there is an assignment here in completed, which in my class, this should be true for everyone. There should be a video in the cell theory video in completed. Okay. Not started. The e-text is provided just for reference, but what I want to talk you through is an interactivity. When you start an interactivity, you're going to click here, but again, that's not enough to open it. You have to click here. Okay, now you're going to start it, and why is the microscope necessary for studying cells? And I will type my answer. Cells are very small. We cannot see them with just our eyes. We need the magnification of a microscope to be able to see something so small. Okay. Notice I wrote enough, not just a few words. You're given a lot of space. You should not just be writing a few words as your answer. I'm going to go next. And it says, click on the pointers to learn about the different parts of the microscope and their functions. Now, if I say, you know what, I don't really think I need to do this, I'm just going to go to the next page. Okay. When I click up here on this check mark, notice that it does not give me a complete for that page. Okay. So I'm just going to close this. I'm going to go back to page 2, click on the pointers, the eye cups where you place your eye, the arm, the objective lenses, the stage, focus knob, and the base. Okay. Now when I look here, I have a check mark, okay, by that page. So I'm going to go to the next one, page 3, drag and drop, multiple lenses, objective lens. Support is connects to the base is the arm, support would be the base. Focus control to sharpen, stage plate is the flat platform, and eye cups is what you look through. Check your answer. I got them all right. Okay, how do the two, it says pictured to the right are two different specimens under 40x and 400x. So it says I have to use the slider. $400, okay. 40, slide this up, 400, okay. How did the notifications change the view? Okay, we can see the cells much closer in 400x. There is more detail. However, we can see less of the sample. Okay, we see less of the cells, but we can see them in greater detail. What is the advantage of viewing a specimen at 40x? You can see more of the sample. You can center the specimen before switching to a higher power, so you know where to look. All right, and I'm going to go to the next page. How did the microscope help lead scientists to develop the cell theory? With the microscope, scientists were able to see the cells for the first time. Seeing cells allowed the development of the cell theory. Okay, and that's it. I'm gonna check that's the page that I'm on. Okay, And I'm going to go back and check. Did I do everything? Did I slide it? Did I answer the questions? I got this right. Okay, I clicked on all of these, remember? And I did answer the question here. Okay. Sometimes this check mark will not be updated. Do not be afraid of that. As long as you go back and double check each page that you did in fact complete them. And when I just did that, I confirmed that I did in fact complete every page. Then I'm going to go back here and click turn in. Are you sure you want to turn it in? Click turn in. Now it says your work has been turned in. You are all set.